Alright, guys, once again, you're welcome to my channel. I am Ima Babs, and today I want to look at how to customize our YouTube channel. Okay, customizing a channel is very important if you're to experience any kind of growth at all um, in that channel. Okay, so that's why we are gonna take a look at this new channel. I just created this channel. I think last weekend, and then although I have customized it, but let's use it as an example. Okay, so you just see how to customize and make sure your channel is optimized for monetization. Okay, so this is layout doesn't have much things to actually do. Okay, but there's branding is where you upload your logo. By now you should have created your logo on Canva. Okay, so right here you just click here and then it opens into your system. You get the logo from where you saved it. Of course, you must have saved it something that you can readily recognize, right? So you click it and then it gets uploaded here. Okay, and then your YouTube banner too. This is where you also upload it, and then you can see it there. If you want a watermark, you upload your logo in here. Okay, and when you do this, then each of your videos will carry your logo. Okay, each of your videos. So it will make it quite difficult for your videos um, to be used, right? So once you're done with all these, okay, you also come to basic info. So basic info, so you put your channel name and then your description. Okay, and that's it. So those are your description. If you want to add any link, maybe your Facebook link, your Instagram link, this is where you do that. As soon as you're done, you click on publish. Okay, so publish it, then your channel is good to go. It's just that simple. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be coming again with more content, rich content for you guys. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any specific request you like to make, just ask me in the comment section. I'm going to be right there in the comment section to answer every of your questions and to make um, videos regarding what you prefer. Okay, so thank you guys once again. Have a beautiful one. Peace out.